Every now and then you might get sick, and you might need some medicines to help you get better. These two brothers have both got a temperature. A high temperature is one of the ways the body defends itself against germs, tiny animals which attack the body and give it diseases. Your body defends itself by raising its temperature to help get rid of them. The problem is, if your temperature is too high, it can make you feel awful. That's why you sometimes need to take some medicine to help the body cool down. The medicine helps the body to get rid of the extra heat, by sweating for example.